Do you know how the bladeless cataract surgery done? The first step of bladeless cataract surgery is 3D mapping of the eye. The femtosecond laser system creates a high resolution scan of your eye, measuring the exact thickness, depth and position of the cornea, lens and cataract. This mapping is important because the entire surgery is performed according to this personalized blueprint, which increases precision by 10 times. After mapping, the laser creates a microscopic, perfectly smooth incision on the cornea. No blade is used here and the laser does not even touch the eye. The computer controlled laser creates an extremely precise depth and arc, resulting in almost zero discomfort, faster healing and no disturbance to the natural shape of the cornea. In the next step, the laser creates a perfect circular opening, capsulotomy, on the cataract lens. The more accurate this opening is, the more perfectly the artificial lens sits in the center of the eye. Long-term clarity, especially for driving, reading and fine vision, depend on this centering. In manual surgery, this circle was made by hand, which had a higher chances of unevenness. Then the laser breaks the cataract into soft, tiny pieces. This is the biggest advantage. Earlier, ultrasound power was used, which could cause swelling inside the eye. Laser fragmentation dramatically reduced swelling, and post-surgery vision often feels quite clear as early as the next day. This step makes the surgery safer and smoother, especially for patients with very hard cataracts. Now the surgeon gently removes the softened cataract pieces using a microsuction device. Since the laser has already made the process easier, removal is quick, clean and trauma-free. The natural tissues of the eye are minimally disturbed, which improves recovery speed and comfort. Finally, the surgeon implants an artificial intraocular lens into your eye. Due to laser's accuracy, the lens is placed perfectly in the center, keeping long-term vision sharp and clear. If you have a small cylindrical number like 0.25, 0.75, toric alignment becomes even more precise with laser assistance, which noticeably reduces dependency on glasses after surgery. So don't faint, get rid of cataract today. Pick up the phone now and call our helpline number to book your free eye checkup. If you have any questions, you can ask us in the comments.